Hi everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be talking about the stages of production for a short film. The first stage of production is pre-production, which is where you'll be generating ideas, writing a script, casting your actors, and planning your shoot. Here are some of the most important things to do during pre-production. So you generate ideas. What kind of story do you want to tell? Maybe a coming of age story about a young person who learns about themselves and the world around them? What themes do you want to explore? Maybe your story is about family and friendship, or identity and self discovery. What kind of tone do you want your film to have? It could be serious and dramatic, or light-hearted and comedic. So once you have generated idea for your film, it's time to start writing a script. This is where you'll flesh out your characters, plot, and dialogues. Once you have a draft of your script, it's a good idea to do a table read with your cast and crew. This will help to identify any areas that need improvement. Next, you'll need to get all of the necessary equipment for your shoot, such as camera, lights, sound gear, and costumes. You'll also need to scout locations for your shoot. For this, it is advised you consider the needs of your script and the overall tone you want to achieve. Next, it's important to find actors who are right for the roles. Consider their acting skills, their physical appearance, and their personalities. Create a timeline for your shoot and post production. This will help you to stay on track and to finish your film on time. Last, you need to storyboard your film. A storyboard is a visual representation of your script. It can help you to plan your shots and to make sure that your story is flowing well. The second stage of production, which is where you'll be shooting your film. Here are some of the most important things to do during production. You need to communicate with your crew. It is important so that they know what you're expecting of them. Make sure that you're prepared for every scene before you start shooting. This includes having all of the necessary props and costumes and setting up your shots in advance. You should be patient. Things don't always go according to plan during production, so it's important to be patient and flexible. Last, we have to control the crowd. Identify the potential hazards associated with your production. This could include overcrowding, unruly behavior, or medical emergencies. Once you have identified the hazards, develop a plan to mitigate them. Make sure that everyone knows what to do in the event of an emergency. The third and final stage of production is post-production. This is where you will be editing your film, adding music and sound effects, and color grading. Here are some of the most important things to do during post-production. You will edit your film by putting it together in the order that you want it to be seen. You'll be trimming any unnecessary footage and making sure that the pacing is good. Add music and sound effects. This can help to set the tone of your film and to make it more engaging for viewers. Color grade your film. Color grading is the process of adjusting the colors of your film to make it look best. Once your film is finished, you'll need to market it so that people know about it and want to see it. This can include creating posters, trailers, and distributing your film on social media and film festivals. I hope this was helpful. If you have any queries about the stages of production, please leave them in the comments below.